Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, I do really need subscribers. So please, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be bringing loads of content, cars, doing stuff with my children and so on. But I've got another car to show you here. Basically, it's an Evo 8. I absolutely love this car. Look, there it is there in all this beauty. Nicely lowered. It looks beautiful, sick. Look at that wicked carbon. Carbon bonnet there. Looks really nice. Really nice. The guy that owns this car is a bit pissed about the bodywork, but even the alloys, they look really nice. There's everything I love about this car. This car is absolutely beautiful. Wide body kit on there. Even the whole spoiler is carbon. Everything's carbon. Evo 8. He's a bit pissed about that bodywork there, but I wouldn't really worry about that. But yeah, it's a nice Evo there. Beautiful. Nice. Nice Evo. Please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Wicked Evo. It's got a couple of gauges up there as well. Yeah, it's doing nice. I think that's like an aftermarket steering wheel. Yeah, it's an aftermarket steering wheel in there as well. Yeah, it's really nice. It's tinted windows. Yeah, you can just about. I don't know if you guys can see that aftermarket steering wheel. But it's a nice Evo. It's a bit dirty. Does need to give his car a wash. But yes, it's beautiful. Another car spot. Evo 8. I think he's running about 380 brake. Yeah, about 380 brake. But yeah, it's really nice. Really nice. Nice, lovely job. Nice. All right, guys. Well, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, you like it. But yeah, I'm going to be bringing you more videos on cars and reviews and just anything that I capture that I like and I think it's worth filming. Please subscribe to my channel. All right. See you later. Bye. Bye.